Hi all. Good evening, very late evening. Sorry so late. I wanted to give you the recording for the announcements this week. You have until Friday to watch the recording and do the survey for us. All right, so just wanted to start with our homepage of our website. And a reminder, if you were not in attendance of the ILP conferences, we will be calling you this week just to get that completed. So I know I've gotten some communication that you couldn't make it, and then there's others that haven't signed up. So we will be calling you this week just to get that ILP completed. So be aware of that. Also, reminder, complete this survey. Make sure you put beginning initial for your student and then last name for the student on the survey. Here's our schedule for this week in the live sessions and the books that we have for our book club are there. And let's see, let's go ahead and move to our pacing charts. So that's in this tab here, pacing charts. You will find quarter 2 available and ready for you. So let me pull over our kindergarten pacing chart. Quarter 2. Can you believe we are already in quarter 2? So kindergartners, if you are up to date on your pacing chart, you're going to start here on Monday, and these are your lessons for this week. Couple good full weeks of school, and then we have 3 days off where we won't have new lessons. And then if there's anything that you're behind on, those will be, again, those days that you'll be able to catch up. And let's see, let me grab my first grade, just glance at that very quickly. Let me pull it over. There we go. All right, so here is the week for first grade. So if you are not at those lessons, be working really hard to get caught up on that. And again, just a 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, and then we have some time off. So continue to be working hard to keep up with that pacing chart. All right. I just wanted to remind you of what's in this links and documents at the top of our page. The face-to-face events are in here. I believe I uploaded a new document in there where the RSVP links now work. So I don't know if they have them throughout the whole year, but the ones that are coming up are in here. So if you just want to know what's coming up, the Fall Festival is coming up next. Wichita, I still have not heard, but I know it's not on the same date. So be looking out for something about that, the Fall Festival. Hopefully they're looking for a place, and we'll find a date for you guys then. But the 2nd, I actually will be leaving town that day, so I won't be able to be at the Fall Festival in Olathe, but hopefully be able to see you next time at a face-to-face event. Whoa. And then and they will have pizza there. It's at the Olathe office. It's free. They'll have some board games and some card games, and just be able to hang out and meet other students and learning coaches. And then it looks like the next one isn't till December 7th. So just a reminder that that link is in there. How to clear the cookies and all of that. I've probably done it in the last week like 3 times. Usually this is the reason things aren't working. So that's kind of a way to do it if you don't know. Tech support help in there. Clubs in here. Blackboard help. Those frequently asked questions. Our school calendar is in here, so don't forget about that if you don't have this printed already. These are set dates that they established last year, so these are very solid dates. if you want that information, that's in here as well. And then our TGA, our teacher graded assignments, don't forget that we have one coming up in November. This one is going to be emailed to me before November 5th. So make sure that you send one math and one phonics sample before November 5th. And then don't forget, you can print this if you need it. So you'll have those dates that are coming up anytime. Okay. A couple other things. The ILPs and the conferences, I and Mrs. Burdick loved meeting with you and having those conversations and getting to know you and your student even better. I just wanted you to know that I have a billion sticky notes with notes of questions, things I'm looking into. Miss Burdick has passed on some from Wednesday. The conference is Wednesday. So first grade, I'll be getting back to you on those. I think I got to all the kinders on that one, but I will be getting back to you. So please know in this week I'll be calling or emailing. And then also, if you did not, just a reminder, if you did not meet with us this last week, I'll be calling so we can complete that. All right. I think that's it. If you have any questions, you feel like Mrs. Grimes has missed something because it's really late at night, please email me and I'll see if I can figure it out for you. So our secret word, since Mrs. Grimes always forgets, our secret word is, how about second quarter? Second quarter will be our secret word. And then because I have gotten so behind on my weekly initiatives and are just getting those out in the mail, and it's been very backed up. So our next, we're going to start this week. If you come to live sessions, we're going to do a drawing for kindergarten and first grade. If you attend sessions that are not required, I'll put your name in our jars, and I'll pull it out next Sunday night and see who is going to win a t-shirt, a KSVA t-shirt. I know some of you got them or have them from field trips, but I will be mailing that to you if I pull your name out, and those are for students that are attending those non-required sessions. By the way, small groups, I didn't mention, are not this week. We will rejoin those groups probably next week, but Mrs. Pratt is still looking at data from doing progress monitoring. So we'll look at everyone and form some new groups, and we'll send invites for that soon. All right. Remember, your secret word on the survey is second quarter, and you're going to put that right in there. Have a great week. We'll talk to you soon.